How to add font in Canva. So if you want to add font in Canva, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your browser and you need to search for Canva. After searching, now make sure that you have a pro account, because if you don't have a pro subscription, then you won't be able to add font. So if you have pro, then you just need simply go with brand, which is here on the left side. And under the brand kit, you need to scroll down and you need to find an option of add fonts. If you scroll down, then you will have an option of add fonts, but if you don't have a pro subscription, then you won't have that option. Or you can also just simply go with a project, like for example, I'll just simply go with a demo project with this one. Once you're on your project, you just need simply click on any font that you're comfortable with or that you would like to change. Once you click on it, here you will have the font section, right? So you need to click on the font which is on the top, and here you will have upload a font option. You need to click on it, and if you have a pro subscription, then you'll be able to upload a font or add a font. You can just simply select the font that you would like to add and it will be added. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.